So for this little video, we're going to fix the questions in the Lesson 14 Explore quiz. Currently, partial credit is not being given to students who have less than 50 words in their answer. Partial credit is usually assigned to these type of questions if students don't meet the word count. So I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to go steal regular expression from another quiz question first that we're going to use in lesson 14. So the way that we're going to do that is we're going to go up here to quizzes. We're going to go to the lesson 8 explore quiz. We're going to hit add edit questions. We're going to click on lesson 8 and then we're going to edit this question here because it has the code that we need. So basically, this is the code that you need. You need to copy it and paste it. It's a little bit hard to grab there. Copy it and paste it into a notepad document like I've done here. Make sure that each of these regular expressions is on a different line when you do this, and you'll see why here in a minute. Okay, so once you have those copied in there, you should be good. You can get out of this question, and then we're going to go back to quizzes to the lesson 14 explore quiz. Lesson 14 explore quiz. So here we are. Again, we're going to add edit questions, and we're going to that, and we're gonna have to edit both of these. So I'm going to show you how to do one of them, and then you can do the other one on your own. I'm going to click edit. You'll notice here that there's only one regular expression, so I'm going to actually just delete that one. And then from my document, I have to put these in one at a time. Okay, otherwise they'll all run together. So there's the first one. I'm going to press enter. There's the second one. Okay, that should do it. I'm going to save it. It's going to ask me if I want to fix it here and in the question library. I'm going to say yes. And it's ready to go. So again, I'll just go back and check to make sure that it's all in there, and it is. Should be fine. So now you're going to want to go in and edit the other one as well, the same exact way that I did this first one. They both have 50 words, so it should work for both.